Wow. Hear that thunder? Middle of April. Just got done with the snowstorm. Now we have a thunderstorm. Crazy. Crazy, crazy. Hope I don't lose my power. Hey, guess what I have for you? I have a Birchbox unboxing. If you want to see what I got in my box this month, which is April 2019, please stay tuned. Well, thanks for staying. This is Janice, and just like to subscribe if you haven't. Like this video, it really helps out my channel, and hit that notification bell, especially if you like unboxings. Thunder. I love storms. You like storms? I love them. They're relaxing. You probably think I'm crazy, right? I like scary storms, but I do like little thunderstorm with, you know, a little bit of light show. It's fun, just not the scary stuff. But I do have a nice big basement and it's really deep and very well protected here. So if we have a tornado, I know where to go. All right, I'm going to open my box. This one's pretty easy to open. Well, as soon as I say that, I swear I jinx myself when I say those things, and then that don't come out right. Well, it's still easy. See, it has all three sides. It has a little perforated edge. You just, oh, that one come out good. See, and the trick is doing it fast, not slow like an old lady. Ooh, how pretty. That is a beautiful box. Look at that. And pink, and it says magic inside. I like Birchbox. Always did. I like that you get samples. I know it's a sample box. It's not a full size box. That's okay. They listen to me. They asked what I would like in my next box. I said I would like it better packed with some tissue paper. Well, they always did have a card, but now they have tissue paper and foam. Oh, I'm sure I wasn't the only one, because there's no way my one little remark would have them do tissue paper. Well, that's much nicer, and it's really full this month. Look at that. Okay. Okay, the first thing I see here is Arbe Dry Texturizing Spray. And this is a really good brand. I have had these before. I'm sure I've had in this box a few times. I think, well, I know they sell this on their site. And it is a very nice brand. And texturizing spray, I don't need texturizer. My hair is super, super thick and coarse, so I don't need it. But once in a while, if I haven't washed my hair in a while, because it's getting longer and it is dry, if I want to poof it up a little bit, I use it just for a little lift. But it's nice to get, and a lot of girls do love this. So it's a nice product to get. And that one is full size is $46, and I don't know how many ounces the full size is. Does it say? But it is a dry shampoo, considered a dry shampoo. It soaks up oil and it gives your body and bounce. It says it's to spray 4 to 5 inches from your roots and tousle your hair for maximum lift. A lot of people I know have thinner hair and finer hair, so it'd be great for them. Okay, now I got a foil packet. I'm trying to think what it is here. It's Lemire. Okay, it's reconstructing hair mask. It's a hair mask. Okay, that I could use. My hair is always needing help. And okay, it's called number 4 and full size is $38. Again, this is just this little sample packet. This is a treatment. It uses soy protein to strengthen it and shea butter to condition. Apply to damp hair starting at the ends and work upward, leave in for 2 to 5 minutes and rinse. Oh, good. That's not too long, and I could. In fact, I need to wash my hair tomorrow. I may try this because I really do need a treatment. So that's nice to get and try. Oh, we got something from Sunday Riley. I do like her products. This is Luna. It's a retinol buffering night oil. And I do like night oils, and I do like retinol products. I need help in that department. I'm starting to wrinkle. I've been starting, but more so lately. I don't know. I mean, it's just such a cold winter, and the heat's been on a lot, and I just is so dried out. But this side here, you can probably see it on camera, because I can't camouflage it no matter what I put on. It's got more wrinkles than this side. The reason why, even though I use satin pillowcases, I am a stomach sleeper or a side sleeper. I cannot sleep on this side because my shoulder's messed up. I mean, just a touch it hurts. So I sleep this side. So constantly is just wrinkles. I can't sleep on my back. I've tried and tried and tried and tried. I just can't. So, accept the fact that I'm at that age and I'm going to just wrinkle. I've earned them. Trust me. Of course, everyone's, we all earn them, and we all are full of stress these days. So, nothing new. Oh, isn't that a cute little bottle? So, this is going to help. This is why I told you a little story. Oh, it's blue. Yay. Yay. What am I saying yay for? I think that's pretty. Oh, blue drop there. Let's see. And a slight order. I don't know what it smells like. I thought licorice for a minute, but no. There you go. It's oil. Feels a little oily, but it's not greasy. And my skin's soaking it up really fast. Now it's just feeling kind of soft and supple. Okay, now that one is full size. It's worth $105. It's a cult favorite. Retinol oil reduces the appearances of pores, wrinkles, and redness all over. Start by applying a few drops after moisturizing twice a week and work up to more. So I need to use it twice a week. I'm pulling out is Marcelli City. I just noticed something. This whole kit's got skincare in it. Yeah, it's all skincare. I like that. I need more skincare. I do makeup. I got makeup at the U-Haul. What is this? This is Marcel City. Let me see what it says here. Anti-pollution day and night moisturizer emulsion. Full size, $24. This is not full size. It is sample. And it's 0.23 ounces. And here's what it does. It's formulated to protect against visible effects of pollution like dullness and dehydration. This moisture shields skin from environmental stressors while hydrating and brightening. It's good for you city slickers. I don't live in the city anymore. I live in the country, but I still will use this because, again, I need it. I'm going to try it on this hand, but it has nothing on it yet. Run out of hands here in a minute. Only have 2 of them. It's a white cream. No smell. Well, that's nice. Ooh, it's nice and thick. And a little bit goes a long ways. No, I'm still smelling it, but nothing to see really, but it does feel nice. Clarifying shampoo. And this is the Luminaire Clarifying Shampoo, full size, $32. So that probably goes with this, obviously. So I will try the shampoo tomorrow with this. This shampoo purifies your scalp and strands with this cleanser that removes product buildup in just one wash. It contains vitamin-rich botanicals and refreshes while adding moisture and shine. This is a lip treatment. As you can see, my lips are pretty dry. I have lines. I think my lipstick is bleeding. Nice it does. I put a little gloss in there because it's so dry. Sometimes they bleed up there. Ooh. It's dark color. Oh. Huh. Alright. Down, boy. Down, down. It's a lip treatment that's colored. And quite a bit they're oozing out here. It's thick. Oh, that's pretty. Now don't dare put it on. I'll be my mouth be bleeding. I'll be on one big mouth. But be nice first thing in the morning. That is different. Always lip treatments are usually clear. Alright, I'm gonna wipe that off before I get it all over myself. To try that out and see how I like it. Usually I don't like it to be tinted because it bleeds. It's, you know, straining your mouth, but we'll try it. Okay, last but not least is a body cream. It's by Jaria. Okay, and full size is $35. Trying to find where the lip treatment oil. Oh, the lip treatment oil was $22. Okay, this is $35 full price. It's velvety candle nut oil. Have you heard of candle nut? I haven't. Okay, it's velvety candle nut oil formula inspired by Balinese recipes. Penetrates deep into dry, rough skin for instant, non-greasy softness that lasts and lasts. I'm gonna be all buttered up here. It has a seal on it, and I'm not gonna open it because you know how many body lotions I have open? A lot. So I'll take the word for it. That sounds nice. I will try it at a later date. But I'm happy with this box. I like getting skincare. I like getting makeup too. Usually they have a little everything, but I'm not mad at it. I'm glad it has the skincare in it. Because they have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 7 products in this box. And it also has a card in there. It says $15 off your next order. As a small thanks for being a subscriber, treat yourself to $15 off your next $60 shop order. Use code SAVE15 at checkout. Like I say, they do have a store, a Birchbox store. I have bought from them before. They have great service. I've never had any issues. I do like this box. I will continue to get it as long as I care to. This is the beginning of the new Birchbox experience, and it'll keep getting better. We'll bring you more choices, greater value, new brands, and fun surprises along the way. We want you to have the best of the best of the best. So like it? Hate it? We want to know. Text us at 1-646-798-1563. So they give you a lot of options here. You can tell them if you like it or not, or you want to see something different. I know I did with the packaging, and I got it. Because before they just throw it in there and it was just wiggling around. Did I help with that? Who knows? Packaging is important to me. I don't know if it is for you, but it is to me. It's part of the eye candy, part of the experience. This is why I get boxes. It's fun. Whoops, I kicked you. I'm sorry. You went everywhere. Alright, again, Birchbox. I hope you enjoyed this video. Again, please subscribe, like this video, and we'll see you next time. Bye-bye. Ta-ta. See you soon.